Hello and welcome to our showroom here at Launch Europe. Together with my colleague Burkhard from the product management team, we will show you the main functions and features of the X-861 3D wheel alignment system. So what are the main features of the brand new X-861 Pro? We have the mobile cabinet with the integrated camera cross. We have a 27-inch display mounted on this mobile cabinet. We have a small mini PC with Wi-Fi connectivity. We have a keyboard with touchpad included, and we have a printer also included in this package. Burkhard, what more is to mention with the new X-861 Pro?
Further, we have, of course, the wheel clamps for all the four wheels and the targets which are mounted on the clamps. We have a brake pedal depressor included and also the steering wheel holder, as well as covers for cameras and for the targets.
So we have a complete setup for the 3D wheel alignment, a complete system which allows the workshop to work on every kind of car and do the wheel alignment.
Exactly.
Okay, Burkhard, let's have a look how a wheel alignment process would look in a workshop.
Of course, you bring the car into the garage first. It would be very helpful if you had a lift for it. It doesn't matter in this case if you use a two-post lift or scissor lift. Even without a lift, we can do an alignment with our X-861 Pro because it's movable in the whole garage. So we have a lot of working places for wheel alignment now. If the car is on the lift, we have included in the scope of delivery the turntables for the front wheels, and then you put the four wheel clamps with the targets onto the wheels, and then you can start.
Perfect. Then let's have a look at this process. Now we have seen that the X-861 Pro from launch has the perfect setting and setup for a 3D wheel alignment in your workshop. With a movable cabinet, we have all options to move the 3D alignment in the workshop. We have a big monitor with 27-inch. We have a wireless keyboard. We have many options to store additional material in this cabinet, and we have the printer, and all this stuff makes the X-861 Pro a perfect solution for your workshop.